Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the multiple colleges as well as the multiple departments are there, and out of all these different notifications, for few notifications only PG is enough, and for few NET is required, and for few PhD is required. So for all these three different categories here the vacancies are available. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all these different recruitment notifications. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video like this. Okay. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out guys. Into the present content of the video. So out of the multiple colleges, and here it is the first college we are going to see, that is R.C. Patel Institute of Technology, and it is an autonomous institute. Okay, so it is from Shirpur guys, so it required assistant professor in the following departments, that is mathematics, computer engineering, computer science and engineering data science. And here the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. So apply within 7 days from the publication of this advertisement with complete biodata and copies of all certificates to the following address or else the mail ID. And here the mail ID is careers@rcpit.ac.in. Fine. So careers@rcpit.ac.in. And the qualifications as per the ACT or the state government norms. And if you want, you may visit the official website of this one. And here the address is also mentioned, so you please check out guys. Okay. And coming to the next vacancy is from Dr. Kathari Mahavidyalaya, NAC accredited. And here the vacancies from the commerce department is that the total 2 vacancies are there, and it is a walk-in interview. Walk-in interview on the 8th October 2021 from morning 11 o'clock to afternoon 1 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there should appear for the interview along with the original documents and 2 sets of photocopies, and qualification remuneration as per the UGC Government of Maharashtra and the Gondwana University norms. Okay, so these are the details regarding this recruitment notification. And coming to the next one is the Vignans deemed to be university in Andhra Pradesh. So applications are invited from the candidates for the post of programmer in the CSE department, and the eligibility is the BTech in CSE or BTech in IT or else the MCA. Experience, 2 years experience in the relevant field will be preferred. So even though if you are a fresher, then no problem guys, apply. And age is below 35 years. So interested candidates may forward their resume to the recruitment@vignan.ac.in by 7th October 2021. And here the official website is also given. So if you want, you may go through the official website also. And coming to the next notification is the Chanmal Bora College from Shirpur, Pune. Here the walk-in interview is there. The date and time is 6th October 2021, morning 10 o'clock to afternoon 2 o'clock, and 9th October 2021, morning 11 to afternoon 2 o'clock. And coming to the subject wise, here the dates, walk-in interviews dates are mentioned. So English, Economics, Commerce, Mathematics on 6th October, Botany, Physics, Chemistry, Geography on 9th October. Okay, qualifications and conditions of payment as per the UGC or Government of Maharashtra and Savitribai Phule Pune University, and the payment of class hour basis will be on the conditions of approval of the university. Fine. And you can directly go for the interview on this date guys. So if you want to get the more details, once visit the official website of this college and check out the contact number and contact to them whatever the things you need to bring while going to the interview. Fine. And coming to the next college is Adsul's Technical Campus. Okay, so under the Government of Maharashtra, affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. And applications are invited for the following post of academic year 2021 to 22. And here the post are professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there in the departments of civil, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, computer engineering, mechanical and the MBA. Qualification PhD or ME or MTech or MBA. So with only post graduation also you can apply for this one. and the qualifications and qualified and experienced candidates will be preferred, and they will be offered attractive pay package. Educational qualification and experience and eligibility as per the ACT in New Delhi and SPPU and DT and Government of Maharashtra. All candidates should send the resume and required documents by post, and also send scan copy within 8 days. Date of publication of advertisement to the following address and email ID also. That means you need to send the hard copy as well as soft copy to the provided email ID. And the email ID is adsul.job@gmail.com, and the college address is also mentioned here. So Ahmednagar, I checked on this. And coming to the next one is from Chhattisgarh. So this one is not clearly visible. Okay, but anyhow, I will try to read the subjects. So many candidates from few days telling me that sir, please bring the vacancies from the Chhattisgarh. So based upon your requirement, I searched this vacancies, guys. So one of the private university, so Sri Shankaracharya Professional University, and here the contact number is 0788 408810. Okay, and the appointment notification in the departments of, so here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there. In the subjects of management, computer application, computer science and technology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology, journalism and mass communication, interior design, English, Hindi, physical education, yoga, hotel management, education, and the commerce. Okay, so the candidates who are interested in this one, so you may send the hard copy to the address, okay, to the college address, and here the mail ID is also provided, HR. The mail ID is not properly visible, but I am reading, guys, please note down, HR@Sri Shankaracharya University.com. Okay, and the official website is also given here. So for your clarity purpose, I searched for the official website also. So it is official website of this college, university from Bhilai. So here, if you go down, so you will get the contact details also here. So email info@Sri Shankaracharya University.com. But while coming to the application purpose, it is HR@Sri Shankaracharya University.com. Okay, in the place of info, put the HR and then send the mail. If you are having any doubts regarding this notification, then here the contact numbers are also there. So you may contact these numbers, guys. Okay, so like that, if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section, guys. So if I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, you need to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.